Hi everyone, this is the world's cutest dog. She is a poodle. She's adorable. Let me get a zoom into her face real quick. There. She's so cute. I'll go around and pet her. World's cutest dog ever. Say hi to camera, Daisy.
Yeah, why does it smell in here?
Oh yeah. It smells like hot dogs. She's eating the tortillas. This is her food and water. Says I love my dog. So here's her food, and here's your water. So this is sometimes where she sleeps at, but she normally sleeps right here in the middle of my grandma and grandpa's bed. This is her blanket.
She goes here, over here. She sleeps every day, every night. Duh.
Kaylee,
don't take a video of me.
Turn like cute. Look at that. Watch. I'll make her turn around. Oh yes. No, tummy around. Come on, Daisy. Come. Come on, baby. Come on, Daisy. Whoa, she looks like a giant.
She looked at it and said, "That's the guy."
Sorry, it looks like she's a giant. Whoa, never mind.
If you suffered an injury or death in any
So that's my dog. Thank you for watching this cute video. Enjoy this poem. Bye.